What if the very oils you use every day could either fuel your brain or slowly stress out your cells? The difference comes down to what happens after you eat them. Stick around, because in this video you'll learn how fats are absorbed, why some turn toxic under stress, and most importantly, how to protect your body with smart, simple choices. Welcome to Omni Healthy, your home for practical health solutions. If you find this content helpful, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel and keeps these health tips coming your way. As always, consult your healthcare provider before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle. This channel aims to inform and empower you, drawing from research, experience, and passion for natural health. What you do with these insights is completely up to you and your personal wellness path. When most people hear the word fat, they think of belly fat, greasy takeout, or blocked arteries. But here's the secret. Fat is one of your body's most essential fuels. It cushions organs, helps your brain fire off messages, and even builds your hormones. There are different types of fats, and your body doesn't treat them equally. Medium-chain triglycerides, like those in coconut oil, are the VIP guests. They zip straight to your liver for quick energy. Long-chain fats, like those in olive oil or steak, need a more formal introduction. Bile acids, digestive enzymes, and transport via chylomicrons to your bloodstream. Think of it like Amazon Prime versus freight shipping. Both get there, but the timing and process are very different. And then there are delicate fats, like omega-3s, that your body treasures. Exposing delicate fats to high heat or long storage may cause oxidation, creating potentially harmful byproducts, such as reactive aldehydes, that may stress cells. Think of them as the fine china of fats, beautiful, essential, but fragile. Quick fact: fat absorption is not just about eating fat, it's also about what you eat with it. A salad dressed with olive oil absorbs better than plain greens. Pair fats with colorful plant foods, and you boost antioxidant protection, helping shield delicate fats inside your body. Pause for a second. Guess which oil you cook with daily might be creating tiny sparks of stress in your cells. We'll answer that in just a bit. Once fats are absorbed, they don't just sit there. They head straight to your liver, your body's ultimate processing plant. The liver decides, should this fat be burned for energy, stored for later, or turned into building blocks for hormones and cell membranes. Think of the liver as a highly skilled traffic controller. It ensures fats are delivered to the right parts of your body. Medium-chain fats are like VIP lanes. They're fast-tracked. Long-chain fats are regular traffic, more steps, more checks, more opportunities for traffic jams. When you eat large amounts of processed or oxidized fats, your liver works harder. It's like handling a shipping container of glitter. A little is fine, but a lot can be messy and stressful for your system. Over time, this may contribute to changes associated with hormone balance, energy, or inflammation markers. Ever feel sluggish after a heavy fried meal? Congratulations, your liver just pulled an all-nighter. Try paying attention after your next greasy meal. Notice that post-lunch brain fog? That's your liver waving hello. Here's where fats can turn from helpful to harmful. When certain oils, especially polyunsaturated seed oils, are overheated or sit around too long, they oxidize. That simply means oxygen has damaged their structure. Oxidized fats can form compounds such as MDA and 4-HNE, which research suggests may contribute to cellular stress. Think of it like leaving metal outside in the rain. It rusts. Fats can rust too, except the rust happens in your cells. It's like pouring sticky tar into a Ferrari engine. Not instantly fatal, but things start running a lot rougher. Pro tip: watch for smoke while cooking. If your oil is smoking, it's overheating and may already be forming byproducts that can stress cells. Oxidized polyunsaturated fatty acids, PUFAs, are especially sneaky. Once damaged, they may weaken your cell walls, disrupt your cell's communication signals, and contribute to inflammation. Remember that earlier question about which everyday oil might be sparking stress in your cells? The answer: some common seed oils like soybean, corn, sunflower, and canola. When heated or used frequently, They may form tiny reactive compounds that your body works to manage. Picture your cells like Lego towers. Healthy fats are the strong, click-tight bricks. But oxidized fats, they're like warped, soggy Legos. Your tower still stands, but it wobbles and collapses easier. Some people notice temporary effects like low energy or discomfort after consuming fried foods, which may be related to oxidized fats. Good news, your body has allies. Antioxidants, careful cooking, and smart fat choices protect your cells. Here are some tips. Use stable fats for cooking, like coconut oil, avocado oil, or ghee. Use delicate fats raw, such as flaxseed oil or extra virgin olive oil. And pair fats with antioxidant-rich foods. Think herbs, spices, and colorful veggies. Think of antioxidants as bodyguards for your fats. They keep the troublemakers in check. This week, try swapping one fried meal for a baked or steamed version. Track your energy, focus, and digestion. Enjoying this video? If you are, go ahead and hit that like button, and maybe share it with your friends. It really helps more people discover these health tips. And by the way, check the description for product links and the study sources we mention. So, what happens if your body faces oxidized fats day after day? Over time, it may contribute to wear and tear on key systems. Your liver works harder to process these fats, which over time may increase markers linked to conditions such as fatty liver. Oxidized fats may contribute to changes associated with cardiovascular health and cognitive function. Since oxidized fats are associated with plaque buildup and inflammation, even your brain may feel the effects, from foggy focus to long-term memory concerns. But here's the good news. Balance changes everything. Swapping in stable fats, like olive oil, avocado, or raw nuts, and pairing them with antioxidants from colorful fruits and veggies helps protect your cells, calm inflammation, and keep your metabolism humming. Let's get practical. Here's how to make fats work for your lifestyle. Desk workers. A small boost of omega-3s, chia, flax, or fish oil, can support focus and cognitive function. Active adults. A spoonful of MCT oil before a workout. That's like flipping on a quick energy source. Older adults. Cutting back on fried and ultra-processed oils lightens the load on your liver and keeps your vitality stronger, longer. If your smoke alarm goes off cooking, congrats, you made a fat arsonist. Time to give that oil a safer job description. Want to supercharge your meals? Pair healthy fats with antioxidants. Salmon with lemon and herbs is a power combo. Add turmeric, garlic, or rosemary, and you've got a flavor boost and extra protection. Think of antioxidants as the superhero sidekick for your fats, keeping free radicals from starting trouble. For 1 week, swap fried foods for baked, steamed, or air-fried meals. Notice your energy, digestion, even your skin. It's your body saying thank you. Let's do a quick recap. Fats are essential. They fuel your body, support brain function, and help build hormones. But not all fats are created equal. Stable fats like olive oil and avocado oil may support overall health, while oxidized fats may contribute to cellular stress and inflammation in your body. Here are the key takeaways. Use stable fats for cooking, and keep delicate fats, like flaxseed or walnut oil, raw to protect their benefits. Pair fats with antioxidant-rich foods, like fresh herbs and vegetables, to help your body process them better. Focus on quality over quantity. Even one small change, like swapping out a cooking oil, can make a big impact on your health over time. Choose wisely, and your body will thank you. Let's zoom out with some quick science highlights, because the details really matter. Oxidized linoleic acid metabolites, OXLAMs, are associated with inflammation and cellular stress. Omega-3 fats may help support heart and brain health, and can help balance your body's inflammatory response. Some studies suggest that supplementing healthy fats for 12 weeks may help support focus, energy, and mood. Fats are essential for cell membranes, steroid hormone production, energy metabolism, and cell signaling. So when you choose the right fats, you're not just feeding your body, you're upgrading its performance at every level. Learn something new? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to check my channel for more health videos and click the bell so you don't miss our next video. Fats aren't the enemy, they're your allies when chosen wisely. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, stay omni-healthy.